Namaskar, I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. China is facing an economic slowdown with its manufacturing sector witnessing a dramatic decline in recent years. Meanwhile, India has surged ahead, positioning itself as a new global manufacturing powerhouse. As China grapples with economic stagnation, the root cause of its troubles lies not just in external factors but deep within its own government's failed policies. Following China's abrupt decision in late 2022 to end its restrictive zero-COVID policy, many expected the economy to bounce back. Instead, the country has seen a sluggish GDP growth, a decline in consumer confidence, and a collapse in the property market. Official data from July 2024 revealed that China's GDP is now lagging behind its modest target of 5%. The Chinese people may now be free from the lockdowns, but the economy remains shackled by government's outdated and destructive policies. Western observers have pointed to various issues such as the aging population and the real estate crisis, and President Xi Jinping's authoritarian grip on the economy. But the most significant problem is China's decades-long obsession with overproduction. This strategy has led to massive overcapacity in sectors ranging from raw materials to advanced technologies like batteries and robots. For years, the Chinese government's push to invest in industrial production has saddled its cities and firms with unsustainable debt, creating a fragile economic structure that's now collapsing under its own weight. The result is an economy producing far more goods than it can consume or export, leading to falling prices and growing insolvency. Desperate producers have ramped up output even further, cutting prices in a bid to service their debts. As factories close and industries consolidate, survival is determined by access to government subsidies rather than efficiency. China's economy is now stuck in a vicious cycle of overproduction, debt, and factory closures. While China struggles, India has seized the opportunity to rise as a manufacturing hub. John Chambers, chairman of the US-India Partnership Forum, believes that India is on track to become the world's largest economy by the end of the century, with the US as its key partner. Chambers lauds Prime Minister Narendra Modi's long-term vision, which has laid the groundwork for India's economic ascent through policies that promote innovation and international cooperation in emerging technologies like AI and semiconductors. India's strategic focus on domestic manufacturing, evident in its booming smartphone and electric vehicle industries, has caught China off guard. China's panic is evident. Recently, Chinese authorities urged local electric vehicle manufacturers not to invest in India, fearing a transfer of technology. But China is now stuck between a rock and a hard place. Its companies need India's booming market, but its government's short-sightedness prevents them from tapping into it. Meanwhile, India, free from Chinese influence, is making strides in semiconductor manufacturing and 5G technology, leaving China behind. As China's economic woes deepen, unrest is rising among its workforce. Labor strikes in the property and manufacturing sectors surged in the first half of 2024. The government's promises to improve social security and raise the retirement age ring hollow for the millions of workers facing low wages and poor job security. The government's failures are increasingly visible, and the country's strained relationship with India only adds pressure to an already faltering economy. While China's future looks uncertain, India's ascent appears unstoppable. China's economic decline is not just the result of global market dynamics, but a direct consequence of its government's poor decisions and failure to adapt to the modern world.